Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful flower. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken total 17 pieces. Width of the ribbon is 1 inch, that is 2.5 cm, and length is 5.5 cm. As shown here, to prevent the raw edges, give a heat touch up to the each piece. Now take the one piece and fold the corners as shown in the video and join them by giving heat touch up. Do the same procedure for other petals like this. Now all the petals are ready. Now take the any two petals and insert the one petal into the other as shown in the video and join that overlapped corners as shown here by giving heat touch up. After completion of joining, take another petal and insert the one petal into the next petal as shown in the video. Next, join that corners by giving heat touch up as shown here. The same procedure until all the petals are completed for inserting. Join the starting petal and ending petal as shown here. This flower is well suited for hair accessories and crafts. Now take the needle along with thread and join the petals as shown in the video. Here, instead of stitching, we can also use glue for join the petals corners. In our channel we are done with many flowers. If you want, you can visit our channel. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming beautiful videos. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.